Guess who's back in the house? It's Samantha here with Samantha Rates the Recipe, and today we're making chopped cheese. Okay, so listen, I've never been to New York, but I was watching BET's Cooked in 5, and they had Jim Jones on there, and he was, giving his little childhood story or whatever about how he used to eat chopped cheese, back in the day in Harlem, whatever like that. So I've never been to New York, but you always be hearing people talking about how they go into the bodegas and get the little chopped cheese. And so when I was looking at the video, what it really looks like is like a hamburger or a cheeseburger or whatever, like that's been pollinated with a little Philly cheesesteakiness, but then chopped up, right? So here's the thing. I got my ground beef from H-E-B. I actually already opened it up because, we're trying to get Food Networkish eventually. So we got that here. And H-E-B, I'm early in the game, but y'all need to get in and sponsor the kid because I be running it up in the stove. So we're gonna just massage the meat a bit, right? To break it down, right? Then we have our seasonings. We are going to take a little bit of the green peppers, or the bell peppers rather. This is mixed, it's green and red. Now, I'm not really a pepper lover, but to keep the integrity of the recipe, when we're coming in with the onions, then he had adobo seasoning. So we're gonna make sure that we get it flavorful and New Yorkish, right? That feels good. Then garlic powder. Obviously some salt. He had black salt, but I didn't see no black salt. So we're gonna just use regular salt and black pepper. Peppery. And then we're gonna mix it all in together. Massage the meat, get it all how it needs to be. All right, so we have our oil in the pan. Jim was like, oh, usually at the bodega, they be having the patties already ready. This ain't the bodega, so I'm gonna put my little meat on in here, out the bowl. I guess this is enough. Did he put the whole thing? I don't really know. I'm gonna put half. Boom. So we got that. Then he was like, they be doing, yeah, that's what he was saying though. So, you see what I'm saying? It like, this is, to me, basically this is like a burger, right? But like the approach and how we're trying to get it like shredded is Philly cheesesteakish with the peppers and all of that. That's reminiscent of a Philly cheesesteak to me, right? So I'm gonna just let this go for a quick second, and then I'm going to toast my buns. Now he tossed his in a toaster oven, and I like to toast my bread on the stove, so that's what we're gonna do. So all right, y'all, so the chopped cheese is, the meat is all choppy, right? And he was like, use American cheese. Now of course I have my H-E-B American cheese because I'm speaking it into existence. They will be sponsoring me soon enough, but this cheese is kind of thick to me, y'all. So what I want to do, I'm going to turn it down just a little bit, but do I want to cut it in half instead of using 2 pieces? I feel like that's what I want to do. So that's what I did. I just sliced it in half, and then we're going to cover the pan and let that melt a little bit, all right? So boom, cover the pan. Cheese is melted, but Jim was right. I should have used 2 big pieces. So I'm going to just take another little half and scooch her right here because I want it cheesy. You feel me? It can't be a chopped cheese with no cheese. So hold tight one more time. All right, guys. So the chopped cheese is looking cheesy. So we turn that off, and then we're gonna transfer her to the bun here that broke. But that's all right. I'm gonna just kind of hold her down, and then. Alright, so then he tossed on some tomatoes, which I love. So, to that, a little lettuce. I got me some romaine. I'm going to cut the butt off. And then he hit it with some hot sauce. I feel like put the hot sauce like that. Woo, yes, Lord. So it can drizzle down. And some ketchup. Ooh, it's going to be messy. Especially since my little top of the bun already had tried to come off. Hold up. This a mess, y'all. I'm sure this is not how it is in New York. But, it's good. It's just like a really good burger. Slash Philly cheesesteak. Like, that's how I feel about it. I love this. This was not hard to make. I don't know what kind of craziness I did with this bun. But, yeah. 5 out of 5. And it was easy. So 5 out of 5 for the taste, 5 out of 5 for the time and the effort. And let me tell you what, I need to get to New York so I can get a real, like, authentic chopped cheese. Who's had that? Tell me in the comments. And really, am I hyping this up because I just really enjoyed the Jim Jones video? Or, I mean, I don't even know. I love it though. If you have not already, please make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe, ring the bell, do all the things, and I will catch y'all next time.